Like,
yeah, because G119 downstairs kept calling about the water being off.
He just seen me in the hallway. I told him, I said, it'll be on a little bit.
Just recently, 365 people finally sued. Yeah, that's sued. So I'm just saying, you gonna take out that Saturday and then tell our youngins and what they can just to be for the juices. Yeah, man. What I understand, the whole situation is not possible. So congratulations for that guy. We actually said it was like, shit. They said, well, us all the time, we weren't even tripping. Now they want to. They didn't trip. They did something else for albums and albums. They didn't want to see you sing. So it's our albums. They didn't want them to do something. Hey, kill yourself. Suicide. Kill yourself. You know you're suicide. It's kill yourself.
What happened was when I got one of them out, the bad one, the seat was torn up so bad. Whoever they kids kept tightening the water.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's what they do. Somebody that don't know what to do.
Right.
Just keep cracking it. At least you've seen it, though.
Yeah, I seen it.
Did they have the water off, or was it just dripping in the tub?
No, it was running. It was running real good. Somebody, because the guy, he called me, he flagged me down and said somebody was supposed to come back up here and fix it, and they never showed up. That's when I come up here, and it was the hot water.
That was because the only other person I knew who else was on call, because it was just me the last 4 days. I never got a call on this. Well, except for Central last night.
And then we'll realize we live in life. You know what I'm saying? And life contains a lot of issues. You know what I'm saying?
It's got stoppers on it.
Shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Everybody has different kinds of stocks and shit. Trade off. You know what I'm saying?
They all got stoppers on them.
You know what I'm saying?
It's alright. You see why I like the ones without the stoppers?
Yeah.
They can slide it
Right.
down, pull it up. You put this on there and shut the shower head off. Nobody ever know. Otherwise, we gotta go back to the fucking shop. It would never shut off. That's funny. The tile would be there, so it would never work.